Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Mystikal, the New Orleans rapper who once dominated the charts with hits like Shake Ya Ass and Danger Been So Long. After soaring to fame in the early 2000s, his career has been derailed by legal trouble. So, where is Mystikal now? Let's break it all down. Mystikal, real name Michael Lawrence Tyler, emerged from the 12th Ward of New Orleans and quickly gained notice for his aggressive delivery and unique voice. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, he was one of hip-hop's most exciting voices, signed to labels like No Limit and Jive, and enjoyed major success with chart-topping singles and Grammy recognition. Though he had tremendous talent, Mystikal's career took a steep turn when he was convicted in 2004 of sexual battery and extortion, for which he served 6 years in prison. After his release, he attempted a comeback, but in July 2022, he was arrested again in Ascension Parish, Louisiana, on multiple felony charges, including first-degree rape, domestic abuse, battery by strangulation, false imprisonment, and simple robbery. Where is Mystikal now? As of now, Mystikal remains incarcerated without bond in Ascension Parish, Louisiana. His 2022 indictment remains unresolved, with no trial date yet set. He faces a potential life sentence if convicted of the first-degree rape charges. His music career is effectively on hold while the legal process drags on. Mystikal's story is a stark reminder of how even the most promising careers can be overshadowed by personal and legal problems. While his early work still influences hip-hop, his future musical and personal is uncertain until the court case concludes. For fans, the hits remain. For Mystikal, the next chapter is behind bars. For now.